Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down the products that promise to elevate our beauty routines. Today, we're looking at something that's been gaining a lot of buzz, the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. If you're a fan of glowing, radiant skin, this product could be a game changer. It's designed to add a luminous finish, and it's part of Tarte's popular Shape Tape line, but with a twist. Let's see if this glowing wand lives up to the hype. Now, the Shape Tape Glow Wand comes in a liquid form and is marketed as a sheer coverage, luminous highlighter. The shade I'm trying out is A-Light, which is described as an opal glow, perfect for brightening up the complexion. So what's in the bottle? The product promises a luminous finish that can give your skin that radiant, dewy glow without the heaviness of a full coverage product. It's got a light, fluid texture that feels comfortable on the skin and doesn't leave behind any sticky residue. Plus, it's formulated without parabens, sulfates, or phthalates, which is a nice touch for those of us who are more ingredient conscious. When I first tried it, the application was smooth thanks to the sponge-tipped applicator. It's easy to control how much product you dispense, and it blends effortlessly into the skin. You can wear it on top of foundation to highlight the high points of your face, or mix it in with your foundation for an all-over glow. I found that it worked particularly well on my cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of my nose. Now, let's talk about how it held up throughout the day. I wore it in both a natural daylight setting and under indoor lighting, and the glow was consistent across both. It didn't slide off or settle into fine lines, which is something I look for in any liquid highlighter. I did notice that the glow was subtle but noticeable, making it perfect for a no-makeup makeup look, or even a more glam routine if you want to build up the intensity. In terms of performance, this highlighter is really about enhancing the skin's natural luminosity rather than creating an extreme metallic finish. If you're someone who likes a more natural, radiant look, this will be right up your alley. However, if you're looking for a blinding highlight, this might not pack the punch you're after. Pros: lightweight and easy to blend, gives a soft, natural glow, suitable for daily wear or layering for more intensity. No stickiness or residue, free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. Cons: coverage is sheer, which might not be enough for those wanting something more intense. Not a long-lasting glow in super oily skin types without a setting spray. When it comes to value for money, this product is priced in the mid-range for high-end beauty products. For those of you who love Tarte's products, it delivers that signature quality, and I think it's worth the investment if you're looking for something that's easy to apply and gives you a subtle, fresh glow. For others, there are drugstore options with similar results, though they may lack some of the skin-loving ingredients that Tarte includes. If you're on a tighter budget, I'd recommend checking out brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, which offer glowy highlighters at a fraction of the price. The build quality of the Shape Tape Glow Wand is solid, the packaging feels premium, and the sponge tip makes application smooth and precise. I didn't experience any leakage or breakage in the packaging, so it feels durable. As for longevity, the product lasts well throughout the day, but if you have oily skin, you might want to set it with a light dusting of powder to keep the glow intact. Tarte is known for excellent customer service, and their website offers helpful details about this product, including the various shades available and customer reviews. In terms of updates, there hasn't been any reformulation or packaging change that's come to light. For those who are looking for alternatives, you could consider the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector for a more intense glow, or the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter for something with more versatility in terms of color. Both of these alternatives are beloved in the beauty community for their high-impact finishes. In conclusion, the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand is a solid option for anyone looking for a natural, radiant glow. It's perfect for daily wear and gives your skin a fresh, healthy luminosity that doesn't feel heavy or greasy. I think it would be ideal for people who prefer a more subtle highlight or want a product that's easy to use for an everyday glow. If you're after something intense or super long-lasting, you might want to look elsewhere. But for a light, natural glow that can be built up throughout the day, this product shines. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post more beauty reviews like this. Your support helps us bring honest, thoughtful reviews to help you make the best choices. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.